Friends, how are you? Now see next exercise 6.5. See question number second. PQR is a triangle, right angle at P and M is a point on QR such that PM perpendicular on QR. Show that PM square equal to QM into MR. PQR is a right angle at P. Make right angle triangle, right angle at P. Question number second. And in this, M is a point on QR such that PM perpendicular on QR. Write given. In given you can write in triangle QPR angle P equal to 90 degree and PM perpendicular on QR. Now to prove, you can write PM square equal to QM into MR. QM into MR. See student, QM this one and MR this one. So means these two triangle we will make similar. Okay. See proof. In triangle PMR and triangle QPR, this one down one we will compare with big one. Angle R equal angle R, common angle PMR equal to angle QPR is 90. Therefore, triangle PMR is similar with triangle QPR by AA similarity criteria. Similarly, this one triangle PMQ, or you can say QMP, triangle QMP is similar to triangle QPR with same concept. AS angle Q is common, one angle is of 90 degree. This one you can mention with 1, this one you can mention with second. From first and second, see student, triangle QMP is similar to triangle PMR. Okay, it implies this one QM upon PM is equal to this one PM upon MR by definition of similarity. Now you can cross multiply PM square equal to QM into MR. Hence it is proved. Now see question number 3. In figure, ABD is a triangle right angle at A and AC perpendicular on BD. Show that these three parts. So first of all we will make triangle DAB, and this one is perpendicular AC perpendicular on BD. Question number 3. Start with given. In given you can start with, in triangle ABD angle A equal to 90 degree and AC perpendicular on BD. Then to prove AB square, first part equal to BC into BD. Second part AC square equal to BC into DC. Third part AD square equal to BD into CD. See student, proof. Concentrate on first part, AB square. This one AB square, this one BC and into BD. BC and BD means this one small triangle compare with big triangle. So students, write like this: in triangle BAD and triangle BCA. In BAD A is 90, in BCA C is 90, angle B is common. So write like this: angle B equal to angle B common, and angle BAD equal to angle BCA is 90. Therefore triangle BAD is similar to triangle BCA by AA similarity criteria. It implies if both triangles are similar, then you can write AP upon BC, AP upon BC equal to BD upon AP, BD upon AP by definition of similarity. Cross multiply AP square equal to BC into BD. Hence it is proved. Student, like this on same step you will solve these two parts. Means make triangle similar to each other and easily you can prove.